This is Greg Resack
and Brett Eichhorn. We're here today to show you the 2021 Sienna and some really cool convenience features. So, Greg, what's the first new feature?
All right, I want to show everyone a cool new feature on some of the 2021 Toyota Siennas that have power sliding doors. On some of them, there is now a kick sensor that you can open the door without using your hands, simply a kick. Right here, and you can see that opens the door. And if you want to close the door, same motion, and it closes the door.
The kick sensor on the rear of the 2021 Sienna is simple to operate. Simply come up with the key fob in your pocket, and kick, step back, the door will momentarily open, gives you a little warning beep as well. And then when you've loaded your packages or what have you in the vehicle, come right back up and kick, step back. You also get a couple of extra warning beeps to let you know that it's about to come down. And then it closes, and there you go.
There's another new feature on the rear hatch. If you hit the button twice, not only will it close the rear hatch automatically, it will also lock all of the doors.
The side doors of the 2021 Sienna now have a button located on the handle for ease of use. Just simply push it to open it, and then when you're ready to go, push it to close it. Also, if you'd like to lock the vehicle while walking away, come up and simply touch this sensor here on the door, and the doors will lock.
There is a power outlet in the rear of the center console that you can plug a laptop into, or a gaming device, or several other items that you need power for.
We also have another 1500 watt outlet in the rear of the Sienna. Just plug in your small appliance, and if you're ready to tailgate and mix up some drinks, ready to go. These outlets are controlled by a button on the lower left dash labeled AC 120V. Turn it on, and with the vehicle running, power will flow to these outlets.
For those of you wondering what this plastic piece is used for on the back side of the center console, it's used to hold a trash bag.
These are just some of the available features on the all-new 2021 Toyota Sienna. Thanks for joining us today.